This video is in two parts. The first part is activity that I saw around a black speck that I found on my bed, and the other is activity around a scab that I extracted from one of my sores. The tiny black spot that you saw a moment ago next to the ruler is so small that you can barely see it with the naked eye. But when magnified at 100 times, it appears to be a wad of fibers in different colors. And after I placed the speck in alcohol and zoomed in at 100 times, you'll see what happens here. You'll see there's only one fiber moving, the rest are stationary. Now this was immediately after I placed it into the alcohol. This is the activity around the speck at 40 times magnification, and this went on for quite some time. I did cut parts of it out, the areas where the video wasn't that clear, and kept just the sharpest and clearest portion of it to make this video. Every morning when I awaken, I'd check my bed sheets to see if there are any little black specks, because I do find a few almost every day. And each time that I've taken those specks and placed them in alcohol like this, I see the same activity, the same colored fibers, the pink and the blue and the white and the black fibers. And apparently, the best I can determine, these little specks come out of my skin at night while I'm sleeping, because I check my bed every night before I go to bed, and there is nothing there. I make certain of that. I don't know what else to make of it, actually. If it weren't for the fact that this is such a horrible disease and that there is no known cure for it at this time, I might be inclined to write a song entitled "The Dance of the Morgellon Fibers." It might be a little amusing. However, when I start feeling these fibers, or whatever they actually are, doing a dance on my face all day long, I really don't find that amusing. And I know that other sufferers are experiencing the same thing, and I pray for them, pray for myself, and hope that we will find some type of a cure for this soon. The next video that you'll watch is of a scab that I extracted from one of my sores and placed in alcohol. Unfortunately, when I put the scab into clear focus, the fibers that are moving around it are not quite in focus, but if you look closely, you'll see them moving around the scab. I contacted my state's health department and was informed that there are 2 other cases that have been reported by people who are experiencing these same symptoms as I am. I was also informed that they are very much aware of Morgellons syndrome at the health department in my state, and I was asked to send in samples for analysis, which I have already done. Stay tuned, folks, for the rest of the story.